Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you some tips to make the process of texturing much more easier for you. Let's get started. Here we have an apple that needs to be textured. A common mistake done when using the automatic UV mapping is just letting the default values be as it is. As you can see, there are pixels that don't align with each other. This is particularly annoying, especially if you were doing a character model. To avoid this, we have to change some values in the UV mapping settings. We have to decrease the value of the island angle threshold. This will make the padding of the face texture align with the actual face mesh. I usually put the value at 5 instead of 45. Now you can see that the pixels are all mostly aligned with each other. It is clean and organized. This model will now have an easier texturing phase. Now, the pixels are now all aligned. However, there is still a slight disconnect with the pixels. Here is what you have to do to fix this problem. Go back to Edit and select the Face tool. Then, click on the face with the misaligned texture. Then, click the corresponding plane in the UV window. To make adjustments, use the arrow keys along with the Shift and Control keys to control the increments. Then repeat the process to all the faces that needs an adjustment. Now, all the texturing problems are solved. We can now freely texture the model without any hassles. But what if the model is more complex? Here, we see a model that I am currently studying. Even though it is complex, all of the techniques I have previously mentioned will also work for this. Keeping the UV mapping values at default also gives you the same problems as before. Quick tip: whenever I texture models like this, I always put the value of the edge angle threshold at 360 and the island angle threshold at 5. I realized that those values gave me the most comfortable pixel alignments to texture with. Going back to the apple model, here is the rest of the texturing process. Notice that I did not run into any problem when doing the textures. Here, to create the smooth transition, I used the airbrush with lowered opacity. This is the end for this tutorial. I hope that this video helped you out if ever you are having problems with having good textures. This video was supposed to be uploaded next year, but I wanted to give you guys an early Christmas present. We recently just reached the 500 subscribers milestone, and I am very pleased about it. I appreciate the support and the likes and comments you guys have been leaving for me. I will continue to make more short tutorials like this next year. Thank you guys again and see you in the next video.